Today I'm going to talk to you about critical thinking using technology. I think sometimes when we think about students using computers in a classroom, we think of them staring at a screen all day and not really reaching that deeper level of thinking. So I'm going to start off talking about how technology actually does maximize critical thinking. First of all, it's going to stimulate student interest. As students are engaged, that's actually going to improve their academic performance. Next, they're going to be able to clarify complex concepts. When we allow a wide array of instructional formats, students can go back and use those formats to make sure that they are grasping those concepts as needed. Next, we're going to foster self-regulated learning. Students are going to be able to evaluate and control their thinking while completing those tasks, and that's going to support the transfer of knowledge. Lastly, we've got that scaffolded practice that's going to help students solidify skills. As we provide more opportunities for students to practice, they're going to take those skills with them. So next I'm going to talk about the types of critical thinking. First of all, we have applying, where students are going to carry out, use, implement, show, or solve. We have analyzing, where students can compare, organize, or deconstruct. We have evaluating, where they can check, judge, critique, conclude, or explain. And then creating, construction, planning, designing, producing. So here are some online tools to really foster those critical thinking skills within the classroom. First of all, we have reflection activities. This could just be a Google Doc that is shared with the instructor where students reflect on the day's activity. Next, we have peer reviews. This is going to be where students are able to analyze each other's work and give feedback. Next, we have discussion forums where we add multiple people in, and instead of just giving feedback, they can actually collaborate and ask questions. Then we have small group activities where students are going to work together to actually produce something and see each other's different perspectives. Lastly, we have digital storytelling. Digital storytelling is where students can use images, audio, video to present information. And this is really going to allow students to evaluate, reflect on, or analyze some course content. So, big picture, technology can actually increase critical thinking skills when it's used the right way. As we use technology in the classroom, it's going to allow students to emphasize their creativity. We're going to improve on their higher order thinking skills and processes, and also improve on mental habits of mind, including critical thinking.